Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just at this 31-inch purple hydrangea. It's an artificial plant, and I love artificial plants because I don't have to do any maintenance, and it is absolutely beautiful. I can bring you in here close so we can take a look at this, but this is so beautifully put together. It can sit on the floor, it can sit on the counter, table, anything. Bring you in here close so we can check it out. So here are the little flowers up close. They are so pretty. I love how they're just kind of move around. Each one of the stems can be bent just a little bit so you can kind of move that around, but the leaves look really nice. They can actually be used outside as well. So if you did want a nice little plant on the outside of your house, this would be fantastic. It does have about a 5-inch pot on here. I mean, you've even got your little fake dirt in there, but the pot itself is really pretty. It's got a nice little edging all the way around here. This would be a perfect little plant to put any place inside or outside your home.